This platform can convert your text and images into animated videos.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be looking at some new features from PromeAI using which we can turn images into videos and also text to videos. Now, if you don't know what PromeAI is, it's a web-based AI platform that can help architects and designers in image generation, and it's been giving some really good results. I'm really excited to test out how this is going to be useful for architects. I'm Salman, an architect and illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. So let's get started.
To access PromeAI, you can head over to the link provided in the description, and that will take you to the landing page of the website. Here you can log in by creating an account or by using your Google ID. The homepage of PromeAI looks like this, and on the left side, you can see all the features of this platform. We have previously explored all of these features on the left side, and on the bottom, under the video category, we have two new features called the image to video and text to video. Let's begin with the image to video feature. When you click that, it opens the explore page of this feature where you can see the works of others published in it. We have a few examples of architectural images like this interior right here, where you can see the image used for it on the top right. There are some other examples of architectural images here, like this villa elevation where the static image has been turned into a video format and the camera movements of this is really smooth. I really like this output here of a retro looking cafe where the platform is not just zooming into the image, but it's creating a bit of depth that almost seems natural and smooth. Now let's try creating a video from our own image, and for that we'll have to head over to this icon on top and upload our image. Once you upload it, it shows up on the screen, and I've chosen this view of two cabin houses in a cool and winter environment. We don't have any options to customize the type of output we want since this feature is still in its beta version. So let's go ahead and hit generate. It takes about 30 to 40 seconds in real time to generate an output, and here we have the result. As you can see, it has done a really good job in creating a smooth camera movement as well as animating this smoky effect on top of the cabin. The video output is 4 seconds long, and you can choose this option here to download the video. Similarly, I've tested another interior view of this bedroom right here, and the platform has created a dynamic camera movement of this interior image.
This powerful tool can be of great use for architects and designers in the design process. For example, we can turn our concept sketches into 3D renderings and then into animated videos in a really short span of time, and this can be highly valuable for architects. Let's experiment this workflow and see how effective this can be. Let's create a basic concept sketch to try out this feature, and for this, I'm using Photoshop to create an interior view of an atrium space. I'm trying to create a curved interior space with free-flowing columns and a sort of decks with alternate heights. Once we have the sketch, let's go into the sketch rendering feature of PromeAI and upload the image. Let's go into the architecture tab and choose futuristic style. Let's begin to experiment with the precise render mode and see what it does. I like the interpretation of the basic lines from the concept sketch and also the materials like glass and wooden texture. But I think we can render this again to use more of AI's imagination. For that, we'll have to change the render mode, and this time let's choose precise concept. Let's hit generate, and now we can see that the results are much more different this time. Let's download this output here, which has a rich use of wooden textures. Now we'll have to go back to the image to video feature and upload the image that we just created. Let's hit generate, and now we can see that PromeAI has created a video of the static rendering. The camera pans from the right to left, creating a more engaging visual. When you pair it with the other AI tools provided in this platform, you can actually create a really powerful tool where you can create multiple design options from sketches and turn them into 3D renderings and then into animated videos. Another great way to use this is if you want to create animated walkthroughs in a really short span of time, this can be really handy. Say for instance, if you have 5 rendered images of a particular architectural project, you can upload each of these images into the PromeAI website, and you will very easily be able to create an animated walkthrough. Now this is a very powerful time-saving hack for architects. Though it has a few shortcomings of not being able to control the type of output using prompts, this is still a powerful tool to look forward to.
Now let's try the second beta feature, which is text to video. When you click that, it opens the explore page, and this feature is pretty straightforward. Using this feature, you can type in a text prompt and convert that into an AI generated video. You can see the prompt used for this output, and they have used keywords such as warm tropical architecture, concrete cottage on top of a mountain, stars of night time lapse, high quality and 8K. And that has created an AI video which looks absolutely stunning. There's another similar example here made in a vertical format. There are also other interior videos that have been generated using this feature, and they have used quite a detailed prompt that specifies the style, color, elements, and other features that they intend to create. So let's try creating a video ourselves. And right now, there's only a general photography template that we can use for generation. We can change the scale and orientation of the video that we want. Let's try creating an architectural villa. And for this, I'm using the prompt which says award-winning architectural design of a modern villa set on a hill with amazing city sky view, evening sky, 8K high quality time lapse. And that has created an output that looks like this. Let's also try creating an interior view, and for that I'm going to type in the keywords retro cafe space in vibrant colors, architectural design with chairs, bar stools and equipments. Let's choose a vertical format for this. The results of this was quite impressive as well, considering the furnitures, color palette and lighting of this video. This feature has been creating some stunning outputs with natural images, product photography as well as interior images. And finally, I also tried creating an aerial view of a housing community, and this is what it created.
Though we do not have absolute control over what we are generating, we can think of this as generating images but in a video format. This can definitely be used to brainstorm initial ideas and all the other places where ideas need to be communicated verbally. It could be for client presentations, documentation and so on. Another important area where I think this tool can be really helpful is for creating presentations in both educational and commercial purposes. When you want to communicate a specific idea or a design context, this tool can help you visualize that idea and effectively communicate your topic.
As for the pricing plans of this platform, you can get to try all of these features for free, and that comes with a limited number of generations and image quality. And if you're looking to create high quality generations, you can choose from one of the plans right here, and they also have a holiday special offer going on.
So those are some of the uses of image to video and text to video features for architects and designers. Let me know what you think about these features in the comments down below, and if you found it to be helpful, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.